Hello guys. So today we're going to see how to block our access to the VPS. So here I'm connected to a free VPS from Oracle. You can also get one. I think I have a video on that. You can check it out later. And now we're going to make sure that no one can actually access it other than Cloudflare itself. So we get some benefits like DDoS protection and a few other stuff. So let me show you what I mean. So here I installed Caddy. I can make a different video to show how to install Caddy yourself, but this is the configuration. We're just using it as a reverse proxy, because if you are watching my previous video, you know that I've installed Krakend as my API Gateway. And here you can see I have Krakend here, which is my API Gateway. And here I'm just testing out a VPN connection to my local environment. So this is how I'm using it to connect to my home lab. Right, and now let me show you how I'm blocking it exactly. So let's go to IP tables, rules before. Actually, let me get in. So you can see here, I accept my VPN connection. And then after that, I accept all Cloudflare ones. So this is a list, a public available list of Cloudflare IPs. So I accept all of them on port 80, and then I drop everything else on port 80 and 43 for HTTPS. The reason is HTTPS is going to be managed by Cloudflare. I don't need to worry about that at this point. So this machine will be completely isolated from the internet. So if I leave here, so that's the table. So I'm gonna show you how to set up. Here you can see how to set up a DNS record. So that's how I map. So I map a record for whatever subdomain that you want. You just target that, and then you route that Cloudflare. And that's how easy it is. And then next time, if I want to include a new domain, all I need to do is to include, I need to just include a new DNS on Cloudflare. And as soon as I have that new subdomain, I'm gonna go here and change the Caddy file. I include the new domain here that I want and reverse proxy to any other place. Once I'm done, the way that I've done it is to set up Caddy as a systemd unit service. So let me show you system/Caddy service. You're going to see here that it's going to be always on and managed by the kernel itself. And here you're going to see the service and execution start. So it's going to start Caddy with this command, and it's going to reload this, which allows Caddy to pretty much be no downtime, which means it's just going to reload live the config file. So if I run service restart Caddy, check. Oh my god, of course, systemctl. And wait a second, I'm gonna need to do that as sudo, of course, and that works. And then if I check, let me try systemctl status Caddy. I need to write it correctly, of course. And here we go, it's active and it reloaded accordingly. Cool. I'm gonna expand on this one, and I'm gonna apply some metrics and Grafana dashboard to follow through. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see how we're gonna expand on this and put this into a production level eventually. See you next time.